Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me at Cold Chance Yoga. And we need some more relaxation in our lives. I do, maybe you do too, maybe you get it. So just gonna do a short sequence here to wind it down so you can use this at bedtime or just to release during the day, or maybe even on a lunch break if you just need to chill out and drop down. Yeah? Sometimes the most productive thing we can do is relax. So let's go ahead and come down onto the back. Now I'm gonna use some pillows here. And I'm gonna use 2 of them and place them up kind of next to my sacrum. Begin to lean down. I'm just gonna create a little lift here. My head will go off the back of it. So I'm creating some opening in the heart, opening in the throat, opening in the chest. I'm gonna bring the arms into a big Y. And then we have options for the feet. You can bring the knees together and the feet wide. So it's called constructive rest. Supta Baddha Konasana is the soles of the feet together and the knees wide. This is also a great opportunity. You can put pillows down underneath as well, underneath the knees. Or you can just extend the legs long. So wherever feels good for you. This posture is creating a slight back bend. We're just allowing the body to release and open. Often this is quite a vulnerable position with the throat open, the heart open. If you think about, watching Planet Earth or one of those nature shows, when you see the predator go for the prey, where they attack is the throat or the heart. So at a deep level, instinctually, this is a hard place for us to open. So our yoga mat is not the jungle. It's a really safe space to practice opening. Allowing deep exhales, even making sounds with the mouth to mouth. So yin poses get to a deeper layer of opening than just opening the muscle. We're working on the fascia. And the fascia is kind of like this 3D spider web that goes around all of our muscles, all of our organs, holds us all together. So when we get an adhesion in one place, it can resonate completely somewhere on the opposite end of the body. It's this webbing. So these long, slow releases allow for that to untangle and wind. And you may begin to feel like you need to itch something or move a hair or wiggle, and just inviting stillness in, seeing if you can breathe through. We don't often find moments of stillness in our day. So really embracing this, putting pause on the thoughts. And when they come up, having patience for them and releasing them again. One more big inhale. Sigh it out. Beautiful. Bring the feet on the ground and roll to one side or the other. We'll just remove the pillows. Extend the arms long, extend the legs long, and we're gonna move into this crescent, this half moon shape. So take the right leg out, and then take the left leg on top of it. Once the hip starts to come up, then we went a little too far. So we want to keep both hips down on the ground, both sit bones down on the ground. But then wiggle the legs over as far as we can. And then grab the left wrist and begin to shimmy the torso over as far as you can, leaving both shoulders on the ground. So as soon as you start to turn, come out a little bit. So big side body stretch here, even gazing towards the right. Or maybe you gaze up and towards the left. Up to you. We'll just stay here for about a minute, minute and a half. Just allowing ourselves to relax, giving permission to let go of the thoughts, let go of the rumination, let go of the need to control, which is often what we're doing with all the thinking. Just surrendering, letting our bodies be, letting whatever is happening in the external world be. I often think if I think hard enough about something, it'll change. And while, we can change ourselves, often what we're thinking about is other people, changing other people, other situations. And that's just extending unproductive energy. Let's focus on release, focus on the self. One more big inhale. Sigh out the mouth. Slowly coming back to center, taking a round of breath here. Maybe feeling longer on the left side. I definitely feel longer on the left side. And then we'll begin to make a half moon towards the left. Taking the left leg over, then taking the right leg over it. Being sure to keep both sit bones on the ground. Grabbing the right wrist and shimmying the torso over. And then finding stillness, opening up the right side of the body. Connecting with the present moment, allowing the thoughts of the past and the future to dissolve. Just come into the body. Coming into the breath, anchoring into the breath and anchoring into the body is a sure way that you're in the present moment. So notice sensations that are happening. A lengthening and opening of the right side body. Notice the left hand grabbing the right wrist, where the legs are touching each other and the ankles are crossing. And feel the rise and fall of the belly and the heart. Notice if you're tensing anywhere in the jaw, in the legs. See if you can release even more, make yourself even more heavy, even more open. Drink in a big inhale. And exhale, sigh it out. Beginning to come back to center. Taking a round of breath. Now let's take the legs up into the air. I'm just letting them drain down. You can bring the palms down by the side, palm side up. Arms by the side, palms up. Letting the legs drain down. Bend the left leg. Grab the left foot with the right hand and pull the heel in towards the groin. Begin to lay the left leg down. Bend the right knee. With the left hand, grab the right knee and pull it in towards your chest, kind of like Simon says. Maybe you can wrap the whole arm around and see what feels good. Just breathing in and breathing out, sweet simplicity. Often, like I mentioned before, the most productive thing we can do is relax. We always think of productivity in terms of checking things off the list, but really we need to put, self-care and recalibration on top of the list. From there, from that place of presence, can we really connect with the world, connect with others. Taking the outside of the right knee, twisting over towards the left. So maybe you still have a hold at the right foot. That's fine. I'm taking a twist. Maybe you extend the leg if you want, the top leg, and grab the foot. Or you can keep it bent, either one. Slowly releasing, bringing knees into the chest, tugging in. Bring the arms down, palms up, lift the legs up. Let everything drain down. The feet can be floppy. Maybe even give the ankles a roll here. Then begin to bend the right leg. Left hand grabs the foot. Bring the heel into the groin and open up and lay down the leg. The left leg can bend and grab for the knee, pull in. Let the body be heavy. Noticing the difference on each side. Welcoming it all. Whatever's happening in the physical body, whatever's happening in the heart and the mind, and just sending breath, sending loving awareness and attention to whatever's going on with us today. I've said many times, yoga and meditation is not so much about self-transformation or self-improvement, but about becoming deeper in relationship to ourselves as we already are, without the need to fix or change or manage. Just connecting with our truth, our reality, the nitty-gritty parts and the beautiful parts, the parts we want to show people and the parts we don't. All is valid, all is worthy. All is path. One more inhale. And then take the left knee over, and we'll take in a twist. And stay right here. Maybe you grab for the foot and extend that top leg. It's a pretty deep stretch, but maybe your body's feeling into that today. You can also take a strap or a scarf or a belt. No need for fancy props. Big inhale. Full exhale. Bring the knees into the chest, squeeze in. Extend the legs long. Shavasana. Just for about 5 deep rounds of breath, and you can stay as long as you want. But I'll bow out. about 5 deep rounds of breath with you. The hand can come to the heart and to the belly, or you can leave the arms long, whatever feels good. Just kind of recommitting here to being there to hold whatever comes up in your process, whatever comes up in the physical body. You can be your biggest healer, your biggest support by just shedding loving kindness and attention on ourselves. Showing up today to unroll your mat, even for 10, 15 minutes, is it's that beautiful dedication, kindness to ourselves. And thank you for letting me be a part of your journey. You're definitely a part of mine. I'll leave you right here, sweet friends. Namaste.